I may have picky kids, but when I make this chicken baked ziti, everybody eats it and loves it. Cheers. Here are the ingredients you're gonna need. We have some ziti, we have some Parmesan cheese, then we have some mozzarella cheese, we have some chicken breasts I'm using, then some parsley, then an egg for the ricotta cheese, and then we have some cherry tomatoes, and I'm just going to kind of sprinkle it on towards the end. I had these left over, so I don't know how I feel about this, but we'll see. And then we have some of my wife's made some homemade sauce, and because you're my friends, I'm going to give you the recipe down below. The whole recipe is going to be in the comments down below. What goes great with Italian dish? Texas toast. We're going to put that on there too. So you can cook the ziti on the Blackstone. It will take just a little bit longer, but for time purposes, we're going to go ahead and pre-cook these on the stove. So as the ziti is cooking, we're going to go ahead and prep our chicken to go onto the Blackstone. We're going to use our salt and pepper and garlic Blackstone seasoning. So we're going to go ahead and sprinkle some on, pat it down, flip it over, put some more down. Whoop, whoop. And let's throw them on the Blackstone. All right, we're gonna make our ricotta cheese. Woo! Splashes. And to soften it up, we're gonna throw in an egg. Throw in some parsley. Okay. This is just olive oil. Down. Get our chicken off. Let's throw in our ricotta cheese. And then we're going to just mix everything up. Cheese. What the heck? Some Parmesan cheese. Don't be cheesy about it.
Stop!
Okay. Oh yeah, baby. We need a little bit of chicken, some ziti, throw a little bit more on here. Cheers. Oh my God, this is so good, really. Honestly, you have to try this. If you like this, hit the subscribe button and let's see what I'm making for lunch. Cheers.